Hey, what's happening, friends? What's going on? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. I appreciate you guys coming on this Facebook Live. I want to talk to you guys today, right, about what is your one thing. And I'm gonna share with you all my one thing through a story, right? So for the past few days, I think I'm on number 12 or 13, right, of this 90-day blitz, Freedom Run Blitz. And every day I've been meeting 10 people, I've been emailing my list, and I've been creating at least one piece of content to build my business, right? And to show people that it can be done. So those are basically my non-negotiable things that I do every single day. So one of the things that I do is, you know, when I meet 10 people, I send a friend request, but in addition to the friend request, I have been sending a message, right? So I'll message the person as well to get a dialogue started between me and them. So what has happened is, like Grant Cardone says, when you're taking massive action, you start to create new problems. You'll start to see new problems. And one of the new problems I had was being able to keep up with all the reply messages that were coming in, right? It's easy for me to shoot a message out, but then to accurately respond to people, that was a challenge for me. So what I did yesterday, I heard something that Erin Birch said last week in a Facebook training. She was saying that, you know, we should just reach out to people using the Facebook Messenger. So the voicemail feature of the Facebook Messenger. So what I did after I did my one piece of content yesterday is I started replying to messages, right? So I didn't put it in the schedule, I just did it. And because I just actively just did that, I accomplished a lot of things. And, you know, I knocked out probably about a month's worth of messages, okay? So, and that's good, don't get me wrong, that's good. But time kept rolling so fast, and I didn't schedule in my other two daily disciplines, which is email my list and meet 10 people. Now, that's my confession, all right? Now, let's talk about the one thing, because I did do the one thing, and you need to know what your one thing is, the absolute most non-negotiable thing that you must do in order to move your business forward. And for me, that was to create that one piece of content, and the type of content that I created was a video, okay? Because I know what my why is, and you should know what your why is. I know what my definite chief aim is, and you should know what your definite chief aim is in your business, okay? In your life, really, more so than just your business. You should know it for your life as well. So for me, my definite chief aim is to become a highly sought out, well-paid speaker and trainer. It's not to earn, you know, millions and billions of dollars. That is a byproduct of me moving toward my definite chief aim. And because I created the one piece of content, the video, because I created the video, I achieved my one thing, okay? That's moving toward my vision. You know, Ray Higdon, he says, my vision is a ruthless dictator who doesn't care how I feel or what my circumstances are. So no matter how I feel or what my circumstances are, I'm going to definitely get the video done, because that involves me speaking and training. Now, I don't know what your one thing is. If you need help, you know, getting your one thing narrowed down, I suggest picking up the book, the audio book, or the physical book of The One Thing by Gary Keller. He started Keller Williams real estate agency, multi-million-dollar company, somebody good to listen to. You could also check out Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. He talks about coming up with your definite chief aim. You know, having a laser beam focus on what you really want is so essential. It is so essential. So instead of me feeling guilty, because at one point, I started to feel some kind of way early this morning when I woke up and I said, man, I didn't get everything done that I wanted to get done, but I got my main thing done. I got my one thing done, and I accomplished some other stuff, but I didn't get everything done that I wanted to do, but I got the main thing done that would help me move toward realizing my vision. Okay, so once again, this has been Carlton Lewis. I hope you got some value out of this video. I am so glad to be able to share this information with you guys. I pray that you take this information as wisdom, you take it and you run with it, and you identify your why. Just don't listen to these videos when you have people on here who are sharing wisdom, and it's not just silly stuff. You're not watching cat videos or anything like that. There's nothing wrong with being entertained, but edutainment is better. Getting some edutainment, some education and entertainment combined is better, infinitely better. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you want to get access to my email newsletter where I drop some gems pretty much every day. I was saying every day, but since I didn't shoot out an email yesterday, and I can't say every day, but pretty much every day I send out a gem, and you can get subscribed to that. Inbox me and I'll make sure I put you on that newsletter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm about to run because I got other things to do. Hope you guys are having a good day. Peace.